Hello guys, you're welcome back to my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. My name is Mo King. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add the rounded corners to your shapes and text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first thing you want to do is to switch over to the Essential Graphics tab over here. Next thing, you would like to come over to this Edit option here, not the Browse option. You switch to your Edit and then you click this new layer icon, and you can automatically select a rectangle shape. So the first thing you want to do is to add strokes, and the reason why I'm adding stroke is so that it can give me the curved shape. So I'm going to go ahead and click on stroke. Now at this point, it doesn't look curved yet at the edge, so I'm going to come over to this icon over here, this graphics property, select it and change the line join from meter join to round join and hit OK. And automatically you can see the strokes that has been added to my video. Now if the stroke doesn't look as intense as you want it to be, you can go ahead and increase your stroke property over here, and if that still doesn't meet your requirements, you can click the plus button to add more strokes and continue increasing that. So next thing I'm going to want to do here is to move this to the edges of my screen. It depends on what you're trying to create. I'm going to go ahead and move this, scale this up and down. Alright, so I'm going to match the color of my stroke with my fill. So I'm just going to change this to also look like this. So now everything looks the same. So the next thing I want to do is to drag a video. Unlike how we edit in Premiere Pro in our timeline, this time I'm going to drag the video up to my Essential Graphics panel and drop it right under my shape. And you're going to notice that it is behind the shape. What you would like to do next is to select your shape, come down and select this mask with shape, and automatically you will notice that the shape has masked within. Automatically you will notice that the video has masked within the shape. So if I select outward now and I hit play, you will notice the video playing within that shape. So also notice something, that once it reaches the end of this shape, the video will stop. So what you want to do is to expand the length of this shape to match the length of your video. That way it's going to play to wherever the video stops playing. Very important, guys. So the next thing I want to show you is how to add rounded corners to text in Premiere Pro. The good thing about this effect is that you can add it also to text and not only to shape. So you can come over here to this property once again, the new layer property, select it and click on text. It's important that you use a simple text that doesn't already have curves around it so that it will apply properly to this effect. So I'm going to drag this to the middle and then change this text from new text or whatever it says to sky. Next thing I'm going to do is to select this shape and take it to the middle. Once I've done this, align it the way I want it to pop. Hit on my align and transform to ensure that it is properly aligned in the video. Okay, I want it to come down this way. So the next thing I want to do is to add a stroke to it. Okay, there's already a stroke on this, but let me take out the stroke. So this is what it looks like initially. So you're going to want to add a stroke and increase the stroke to whatever length you want it to be. So without the stroke, this is what the text looks like, but when I've added my stroke, it looks like this. You can also increase more strokes and increase the way it curves. So the next thing you want to do is to come over to this graphics property here and change this from meter join to round join and hit OK. And you will notice automatically that the text has immediately acquired a round curve around it. So I'll just go ahead and take this to the beginning and hit play so you can see what it looks like now. Alright guys, thank you for watching this tutorial to the end. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not already done that. And don't forget to drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end.